Listen up, investors. The future is here, and it's powered by semiconductors. These tiny chips are the brains behind our favorite gadgets, from smartphones and laptops to electric cars. The world is going digital, and semiconductors are the driving force. In this video, we're going to break down why semiconductors are so hot right now and why SMH should be on your radar. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video. Also, check the links in the description. They may be small, but semiconductors are the unsung heroes of the digital age. These tiny chips are the brains behind virtually every electronic device we use. Without semiconductors, our modern world would grind to a halt. The demand for semiconductors is skyrocketing, fueled by the growth of artificial intelligence, cloud computing, 5G networks, and the Internet of Things. Companies around the world are scrambling to get their hands on these essential components. Governments are pouring billions of dollars into supporting domestic semiconductor production. The U.S., for example, passed the CHIPS Act to boost its own chip-making capacity. This surge in demand is creating incredible opportunities for investors. That's where the VanEck Semiconductor ETF comes in. Hold on to your hats, investors, because the semiconductor market is on fire. Analysts predict the global semiconductor market could be worth a staggering $1 trillion by 2030. What's fueling this explosive growth? In a word, everything. Semiconductors are the fundamental building blocks of the digital age. Every smartphone, laptop, data center, and connected device relies on these tiny chips. Artificial intelligence, 5G networks, autonomous vehicles, the Internet of Things. These are game-changing technologies that are transforming our world. This is a fundamental shift in the technological landscape, and it's creating unprecedented opportunities for investors. Let's talk about artificial intelligence, or AI, for a moment. This is more than just a buzzword. It's a technological revolution that's reshaping industries and our daily lives. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to change the world as we know it. AI algorithms require immense computational power to process vast amounts of data and make complex decisions. Companies like NVIDIA, the graphics processing unit, GPU giant, are leading the charge in AI chip development. Their GPUs are specifically optimized for the parallel processing demands of AI, making them the go-to choice for AI researchers and developers worldwide. The rise of AI is a game changer for the semiconductor industry. And for investors, this translates into a once-in-a-generation opportunity to capitalize on a transformative technology. Now, let's talk about another major driver of the semiconductor boom, 5G and beyond. 5G, the next generation of wireless technology, promises lightning-fast speeds, ultra-low latency, and the ability to connect billions of devices simultaneously. 5G networks require a massive infrastructure upgrade, including new base stations, antennas, and network equipment, all packed with advanced chips. 5G will enable a whole new world of possibilities, from autonomous vehicles and smart cities to remote surgery and the Internet of Things, IoT. The rollout of 5G and the future of wireless connectivity represent a massive growth opportunity for the semiconductor industry, and for investors, this means getting in on the ground floor of a technological revolution that's set to reshape our world. We've talked about the explosive growth of the semiconductor market, but now let's meet the companies behind this technological revolution. These are the companies that are designing and manufacturing the chips that power our world. First up, we have the heavyweights: Intel, Samsung, and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC. Intel, the American giant, has long been synonymous with microprocessors, the brains of our computers. Samsung, the South Korean conglomerate, is a powerhouse in both memory, chips, and processors. Then there's TSMC, the world's largest dedicated semiconductor foundry, and these companies are the foundation of the semiconductor industry, and their continued innovation is essential for meeting the ever-increasing demand for chips. Let's zoom in on Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, for a moment. TSMC is the world's largest dedicated semiconductor foundry, and its technological prowess is unmatched. Companies like Apple, Qualcomm, and NVIDIA entrust TSMC with their most advanced chip designs, knowing that TSMC can deliver the goods. TSMC's dominance stems from its relentless focus on innovation and its massive investments in research and development. The company is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in semiconductor manufacturing. TSMC's technological leadership has made it a linchpin in the global technology supply chain. Now, let's shift gears and talk about NVIDIA, a company that's synonymous with high-performance computing and artificial intelligence. NVIDIA is best known for its graphics processing units, or GPUs, which were originally designed for gaming but have become essential for a wide range of applications. NVIDIA's GPUs are specifically architected for parallel processing, which makes them ideal for handling the massive computational demands of AI workloads. For tasks that require massive parallel processing, like image recognition or natural language processing, GPUs are the clear winner. NVIDIA's dominance in AI chips has made it a Wall Street darling. The company's stock has skyrocketed in recent years as investors have piled into the AI boom. NVIDIA's innovative chips are powering the AI revolution, and its stock has become a must-have for investors looking to capitalize on this growth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video. Also, check the links in the description. Alright, investors, let's talk about the explosive growth of the semiconductor market and the companies leading the charge. Introducing the VanEck Semiconductor ETF, ticker symbol SMH. SMH gives you exposure to top semiconductor companies worldwide. Think of it as owning a slice of the entire chip supply chain. By investing in a diversified ETF, you're spreading your risk. And with SMH, you're betting on the growth of the entire semiconductor industry. So what's under the hood of SMH? Let's pop the hood and take a closer look at its holdings. This ETF tracks the MVIS US listed Semiconductor 25 Index, which is a market cap weighted index that includes the 25 largest and most liquid US listed semiconductor companies. Among SMH's top holdings, you'll find familiar names like Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, the chip-making giant we discussed earlier. You'll also find NVIDIA, the AI powerhouse, and ASML Holding, a Dutch company that makes the essential lithography machines used to manufacture the most advanced chips. SMH isn't just about the big players. It also includes a mix of smaller, more specialized companies. This diversification is key to managing risk and capturing the growth potential of the entire sector. Now you might be wondering, how has SMH actually performed? Well, let me tell you, this ETF has a track record that speaks for itself. Over the past decade, SMH has consistently outperformed the broader market, delivering impressive returns for investors. Of course, past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results, but SMH's strong track record is a testament to the underlying growth of the semiconductor industry. As long as the demand for chips continues to rise, SMH is well positioned to benefit. When you invest in SMH, you're essentially investing in the growth of the entire sector. Let's talk performance, because at the end of the day, that's what matters most, right? Well, get this. SMH has a history of knocking it out of the park. Over the past decade, this ETF has consistently outpaced the broader market. We're talking about serious returns for investors who got on board early. Now, I know what you're thinking. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. But listen, SMH's track record isn't just a fluke. It's a reflection of the incredible growth story underlying the semiconductor industry. Now, I know what you're thinking. The semiconductor industry can be volatile. And you're right, it can be a bumpy ride. But that's where SMH really shines. See, this ETF isn't just about betting on one or two hot stocks. It's about diversification, baby. With SMH, you're spreading your risk across a basket of 25 leading semiconductor companies. That means you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. If one company stumbles, it won't tank your entire portfolio. You're invested in the success of the entire sector, not just a single player. Listen up, Patriots. Invest in America's future with semiconductors. The CHIPS Act is a game changer. $52 billion for domestic chip manufacturing. SMH's top holdings, like Intel, will benefit. Invest in SMH and support American innovation. Section 2. The future is domestic. Why Made in America matters for SMH. Why is the U.S. government so focused on semiconductors? One word: geopolitics. Reliance on foreign chip makers, especially in Asia, risks economic and national security. Semiconductors are the brains of modern technology. They're in everything from our smartphones and laptops to our military equipment and critical infrastructure. Without access, the U.S. could be in big trouble. The CHIPS Act diversifies the global semiconductor supply chain, ensuring a secure source of these components. For investors, this shift is a major opportunity. SMH, with its exposure to leading American semiconductor companies, benefits from this trend. Technological innovation, government support, and geopolitical factors create a perfect storm for SMH's growth. Don't miss the chip train. Invest in SMH today. The semiconductor industry is a once-in-a-generation investment opportunity. With SMH, you're investing in the future. Get exposure to companies powering AI, 5G, and more. The U.S. government supports domestic chip production. SMH offers a diversified basket of top semiconductor companies. Don't miss the chip train. Invest in SMH today.